Hello friends, today I will tell you an Islamic story about the reign of Caliph Hazrat Umar Radi Allahu. Once Hazrat Umar Radiallahu was walking through a lane in Medina. Suddenly his eyes fell on a young man. She hid a bottle under the clothes she was wearing. Hazrat Umar asked him, "Oh young man, what do you cover under your clothes?" The bottle was full of wine, so the young man hesitated to answer. But he then prayed to God in a state of self-pity and fear. "Oh Lord, don't embarrass me in front of Caliph Umar Radiallahu. Hide my faults and crimes from him. I offer sincere repentance to you and promise that I will never touch alcohol again in my life." After such repentance, the young man answered the question of Hazrat Umar Radiallahu, "O Caliph, to me, it is a bottle of vinegar." But the Khalifa did not fully believe his words and asked to see the bottle. According to his wish, the bottle was presented in front of him. It was seen that the bottle was indeed filled with vinegar. So friends, what can we learn through this story? The answer is, if someone, in fear of any shameful and sinful act, complains to God and repents sincerely, God forgives the sins of the petitioner even if he turns one thing into another. He did and kept his standards intact.